In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to edit ad groups in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Campaigns tab. Then, click and expand Campaigns from the Campaigns settings. Then, from the Campaigns dropdown, choose Ad Groups. You'll see all your ad groups there. Hover over the one you want to edit. Then you'll see the pen icon and the gear icon appear on it. If you only want to edit the name of the ad group, click on the pen icon. But if you also want to edit other details, click on the gear icon. You can change the ad group name, pause, enable, or remove, adjust bids, update targeting, or add or remove keywords. Edit all the details you want and make sure you do it correctly. After making the changes, click Save. Your ad group is now updated and ready to run with the new settings. And that's it. That's how you edit ad groups in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.